How to edit PDF file in laptop. Hello everyone, in this video I am going to be walking you through on how you can edit a PDF file in your laptop in the easiest way. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to go to any PDF file that you have, you're going to right click on it, and once you click on right click, you're going to go to open with, and there's an inbuilt editor called Adobe Acrobat. Now you can simply go ahead and use Adobe Acrobat to easily edit your PDFs. But if you don't want to do it through this, I'll give you an alternative as well. Do not worry. But mostly people use Adobe Acrobat. And once you come to Adobe Acrobat, here you can see that I can go ahead and add different types of things. I can edit it differently, however I want. Let's say if I want to add some type of signature that is doable, obviously. If I want to go ahead and add some type of comment box in this. So let's say I'm gonna add don't do this. I'm gonna click on post, and obviously there's a comment box over here where I'm gonna tell the person, don't do this over here, etc., etc. And then you can even add more things, edit more things, etc. So this is one way you can edit it. The other way to edit it is using any online PDF editor. So you're just going to search a PDF editor and you're going to get tons and tons of search results. So just go in any one of these. I would prefer ilovepdf.com. ilovepdf.com is obviously totally free and it gives you the best outcomes to editing PDFs. So let's say I'm going to upload this PDF on, and once we have this PDF, you can go ahead and add texts to it. Apart from texts, you can also go ahead and draw different shapes in it. If you want to give a signature, you can give signatures and a whole lot more. And once all of this is done, simply go ahead and click on edit PDF and it's going to export it. So that's a general idea on how you can edit PDFs on your laptop. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.